I went riding yesterday, and what happened? This stupid idiot didn't want to start. I was kicking it like 20 times, it doesn't start. So today we're going to find out why the fuck it's not starting. Nothing. So let's check for spark. Check for spark. And I have to take the seat off and stuff, and we'll check for spark. And then we'll see. It has spark, has fuel, it has compression. I cleaned the carb. This little thing was dirty inside, and I cleaned the connector. Let me focus. So we'll see. I'm going to put this back inside, connect all the connectors, and then we'll try it again. I assembled the bike, and now let's see if it's going to start. The biggest problem now is I don't know what fixed it. Was it the spark plug, I put in the new spark plug, or was it the ultrasonic cleaner that cleaned the jet? We're going to go for a ride and we'll see what happens.